In Luke 9 verse 60 we read that to the disciple who wanted to go home for his father's funeral Jesus replied, "Let the dead bury the dead." In these words of Jesus we can find two different concepts of death. The first is related to the physiological functioning of the physical body of the dead person, the other concerns the people who would meet to give burial to that disciple's father. Why does Jesus say that the people attending the funeral were dead, when in fact they were alive? Because being under the dominion of Satan they were ignorant of the purpose of life and did not know God who is the source of life. In Revelation 3 verse 1 we read that, "You have fame that you are alive, instead you are dead." From this verse we can see how a person, even if he is alive physically from Jesus' point of view, is dead when he is under Satan's dominion, seeing death in this sense. Life is the condition of being in God's dominion, fulfilling the purpose given to us by Him. In John 11 verses 25 to 26 Jesus says that, "Whoever believes in me even though he is dead will live, and whoever lives believes in me will not die eternally." It is clear that everyone who is united to God's dominion through Christ is alive, no matter whether their physical body is dead or alive, and whether they are on earth or in the spiritual world.